Okay, so I'm going to look at question 7 this time. It's asking us to look at disproportionation, which, if you remember, is when a metal ion, in this instance being either copper or mercury, is able to disproportionate, i.e. react and generate both the 2 plus ion, and so increase its oxidation number, and also decrease its oxidation number at the same time, simultaneously. So the two ions we need to look at are obviously the copper 1 plus ion in both examples here, and also then the mercury 1 plus ion in both examples here. Now, if we look at each one separately, individually, what we need to have a situation is whereby the more positive voltage of the two reactions, so we'll look at copper first, and this is the more positive one, which means that copper 1 plus is going to generate copper 0, okay, in that situation, at the expense of the more negative voltage here, or least positive in this situation, at the expense of the copper 1 plus reaction going backwards. So for this one, it is positive. It is true that you can say that copper 1 plus will generate copper metal. At the same time, copper 1 plus will also generate copper 2 plus, because this more positive voltage will force this less positive voltage to go in the reverse reaction. So in that situation, copper 1 plus is correct. That will undergo disproportionation. Now I need to look at the mercury situation, and the voltages are the other way around this time. I don't know if they've done it deliberately, but you'll notice that the more positive one this time is actually on the top, which means that the more positive voltage will want to go forwards. This is actually going to mean that mercury 2 plus is going to want to become mercury 1, at the expense of mercury 0 wanting to become mercury 1 plus as well, which means that actually in this situation, mercury plus is actually the product of that reaction. So that is not going to disproportionate. It's going to be essentially the reverse of that disproportionation reaction, which is going to be preferential for mercury. So mercury 1 is not going to undergo disproportionation in the first instance, which also means that that one's also not true. And then neither copper 1 nor mercury undergo disproportionation. No, that's not true, because copper 1 plus will undergo disproportionation. Therefore, the correct answer in this situation is B.